One of the things that you're going to need to do if you become a professional programmer or web developer is learn to use a backup and version control system. One of the most popular ones is Git, and Git is the local software which works on the web with GitHub. They have a student program that you can use to sign up for GitHub that will let you have private repositories and basically the full functionality of the site at no cost as long as you're a student. You need to sign up for it. So you want to look up GitHub Student Developer Pack. There will be a link to it in the assignment. And for this, you're going to need to have your MCC student email set up. So you want to go here and go to Students, Get Benefits for Students. And I already have one in existence because I'm a teacher, but you're going to need to follow the directions and sign up. Once you've created your account, it sometimes takes them a few days to verify. Just type into the assignment that you have requested the creation of an account. We'll be using it next week, but I have found that sometimes it takes a couple days for them to verify your credentials, so we want to get that request in right away.